Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I love cooking with fresh herbs, and if you are a foodie like me, you do as well. Unfortunately, after buying them, some, like parsley and cilantro, don't seem to last that long. But I do have a trick up my sleeve that makes them last much longer. So my friends, let's get cooking.
So here I have my parsley and cilantro. What we'll do is to take a few sheets of paper towel long enough to wrap around the parsley bunch. We'll wet our hand and lightly damp the paper towel until it's moist, just like this. Make sure you don't make it too wet, otherwise it will tear. Now we'll place a parsley on it, fold the edges in, and roll it up. We'll transfer to a plastic bag and place it in a crisper drawer. You may need to re-wet the paper towel after 3 to 4 days or change it if it gets discolored or torn.
As you saw in this video, this little trick will help extend the shelf life of your parsley and cilantro as long as you change the paper towel regularly. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!